In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Netmirror app in iPhone. So this should be a quick and easy process video. As you can see, the way to install Netmirror for iOS. The first thing you need to do is open the Safari web browser on your iPhone. Any other browser won't work. Visit the iOS Mirror portal. Tap the share button on the bottom toolbar. It should be in the middle of all Safari toolbar items. After that, a menu will pop up. From the bottom, scroll down it until you find the Add to Home Screen option. Tap on that. Keep the same name as it is on the Add to Home Screen page. Now tap Add in the top right corner of the screen, and then successfully you have saved the Netmirror website as an application on the iPhone home screen. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.